This story is titled The Space Needle. Before we read, take a look at the pictures that you see in the story. Then take a look at the title and make a prediction about what you think this will be about. The Space Needle. In Seattle, Washington, the Space Needle is the city's most recognizable landmark. It is a 605-foot-tall steel tower. At one time, it was the tallest building west of the Mississippi. Today, there are many taller buildings, but the Space Needle remains an important part of the Seattle skyline. The Space Needle was built for the 1962 World's Fair. Its appearance is actually the result of two ideas. The two leading designs for the building were a giant balloon and a flying saucer. The final design combined the two ideas into the Space Needle people see today. Even though it looks a little unusual, the Space Needle is quite strong. It was planned carefully so that it would be able to survive strong winds and earthquakes. A visit to the observation deck of the Space Needle is a great way to see the city. The observation deck is positioned at 520 feet above the city. There is something to see from every angle. To the south, you can see the snowy beauty of Mount Rainier. To the east, you can see Cascade Mountains. To the west, you can see the Olympic Mountains. The major sites are labeled so you won't have to guess what you're looking at. There are even telescopes to help you get a closer look at the city. If you decided to visit the Space Needle, you'll be in good company. Many celebrities, including Elvis Presley, have visited, with more than 1 million visitors each year. It is the Northwest's #1 tourist attraction. To celebrate its important place in Seattle, the Space Needle was named an official Seattle landmark in 1999.